Hello, I'd like to open a checking account, please. Certainly, we have various options. Could you provide some identification, such as a driver's license, and we'll get started? Hi, I'm looking into getting a mortgage. What are your current rates? Hello, I can certainly help you with that. Do you have an idea of the loan amount and term you're considering? Good afternoon. I'd like to deposit this cash into my savings account. Good afternoon, sure thing. Please fill out this deposit slip and I'll process that for you. Hi, I was wondering if I could check my account balance. Of course, please insert your card and enter your PIN. Hello, I'm interested in applying for a small business loan. What's the procedure? Hi there. We can certainly discuss your options. Could you provide some details about your business and the loan amount you're seeking? I recently changed my phone number. How can I update my contact information? No problem. You can fill out this form with your updated details, and we'll make the necessary changes. I think I lost my debit card. What should I do? I'm sorry to hear that. We'll block your card immediately. Let me check your account and order a new card for you. Hi, I'm considering applying for a credit card. What options do you have? Hello, we offer various credit cards with different benefits. Can I ask about your spending preferences to recommend a suitable one? I need to withdraw $100 from my account. Certainly. Could you confirm your account details and I'll get the cash for you? How can I set up online banking for my accounts? It's easy. I'll provide you with an enrollment form, and once completed, you'll receive login details to access your accounts online. Hi there. I'm curious about the overdraft policies for my account. Can you provide some information? Of course, we have specific policies in place. Let me explain how overdrafts work and the associated fees. I noticed a transaction on my statement that I didn't authorize. How should I report this? I'm sorry to hear that. We take this seriously. Please fill out a dispute form and we'll investigate the matter. I'm planning to buy a car and need an auto loan. What are the requirements for application? Great, we can assist you with that. Let's discuss the loan amount and terms. Please provide your income details. Is there a mobile banking app I can use for managing my accounts? Absolutely. We have a mobile app that allows you to check balances, transfer funds, and more. You can download it from the App Store. Hi, I'd like to know the current interest rates for savings accounts. Hello, I can provide you with that information. Let's discuss the different savings account options and their interest rates. I need a copy of my bank statement for the last 3 months. How can I obtain that? Sure thing. You can request a statement at the counter. Or if you're enrolled in online banking, you can print it from there. I'll be traveling abroad next month. Should I notify the bank to avoid any issues with my cards? Yes, it's a good idea to inform us about your travel plans. We can note it in our system to prevent any inconvenience during your trip. My spouse and I are considering opening a joint account. What's the process for that? That's great. Both of you will need to come in with your identification, and we can set up the joint account for you. Do you offer safety deposit boxes? I'm interested in renting one. Yes, we do. Let me provide you with details on the sizes available and the rental process. I've decided to close my credit card. What steps do I need to take? I understand. We'll need you to fill out a closure request form, and any outstanding balance will need to be cleared. Let's go through the process together.